Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to add postage costs on eBay effectively. Let's get started. If you're new to eBay, it's an excellent time to set up your account. You can easily register using your Facebook, Google, or Apple account. Alternatively, you can use your business or personal email and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once your account is ready, navigate to your main account page. Scroll to the bottom to find Site Preferences. Click on it, then select Postage Preferences. Here, you'll find various edit buttons on the right side. You can adjust your domestic and international postage settings by selecting the regions or countries you prefer to exclude from shipping. Additionally, there's an option to include extra locations if needed. After customizing your settings, click Save to apply these changes to your current listings. For further optimization, go to Use Postage Rate Tables. You can create up to 40 postage rate tables, which are applicable only to listings using flat rate postage, not calculated postage or freight. To add a postage rate table while creating your listing, scroll down to Delivery Details and check the box for Use Rate Tables. This allows you to modify regions and costs according to your preferences. For example, you might set specific rates for Northern Ireland or choose economy shipping options. Remember, you can create up to 40 tables. Once you finalize your settings, click Save. Ensure you enter valid numbers in the cost fields, as these are customizable according to your needs. When creating your first listing, you'll see the Shipping Details section. Remember, postage rate tables are compatible only with flat rate postage. If you choose standard shipping, freight for oversized items, or local pickup, ensure you select the flat rate option to utilize the postage rate tables. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to add postage costs on eBay. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider reaching out to customer support by clicking on Help and Contact. We appreciate your viewership and look forward to seeing you in our next video.